All of you audible? All of you? Ashwant, audible? Anyone, please respond.
Yes, sir.
Hmm? All of you clear my screen? PPT. All of you clear? Ashwant, clear Ashwant? Gayatri, clear Gayatri? My screen.
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Right. Good morning all. In this class, we are going to discuss about full adder, right? Full adder. In the previous class, we discussed about half adder, right? See, full adder, right? Full adder is a arithmetic logic circuit, ALU circuit, right? Logical circuit, right? Full adder used to designed add two single bit numbers. Designed to add two single bit AB, two single bit with a previous carry, right? See, all of you listen once again. Designed to add two single bit numbers AB with a previous carry, right? See, half adder using, full adder using two half adders. See, case one. See, if A equal to 0, B equal to 0, previous carry 0. Sum, if previous carry is 0, sum 0, carry 0, right? If if A equal to 0, B equal to 0. In this case, previous carry equal to 1, then sum equal to 1, carry equal to 0. Like that, 0 1 0, 0 1 0, sum 1, carry 0, 0 1 1, two ones, right? Two ones. Sum 0, carry 1, right? 1 0 0, sum 1, carry 0. 1 0 1, sum 0, carry 1. See, 1 1 0, 1 1 0, sum 0, carry 1. All ones. 1 1, previous carry 1. Sum 1 as well as next carry generator 1, right? See, See all of you, odd number of inputs is high. All of you observe, odd number of inputs is high, output is high. See, odd number of inputs is high, output is high. Sum. Odd number of inputs is high, output is high. See, here even number of inputs is high, sum is 0, right? See, odd number of inputs is high, output is high. See, even number 0, odd number 1. Some represent always some represent XOR gate, right? XOR gate. Here no need to pick XOR gate, just you pick two half adders and one OR gate. Two half adders for some, one OR gate for carry generator, right? OR gate for carry generator. See, two half adders, right? A, B, C in here C. S1 represent what? A XOR B. B represent C in. A XOR B XOR C in. Sum is nothing but A XOR B XOR C in, right? Sum represent always XOR, right? Or two carry or gate, two carries or gate, you get carry, right? See, see. Okay, in third year A section folder. Here no need to pick P masses, N masses. Just you pick two half adders in schematic. Just you pick two half adders and one OR gate. Two half adders represent sum. One half adder represent carry, right? Seven label nets. Seven label nets, right? A, B, two inputs, right? Sorry, A, B, C in three inputs. VDD, VSS, right? Next, sum as well as carry, right? Total 5 label nets as well as wires, right? Next, dot ASY represent what? Symbol, right? That symbol consists of lines as well as one rectangle box and 7 pins, right? Next, see, symbol, full adder symbol, voltage sources, not 3 voltage sources, total 4 voltage sources, 3 for input, 1 for DC voltage, right? As well as 7 5 grounds, 7 label nets. See practical schematic circuit by using LT-Spice. See two half adders and one OR gate, all VDDs together, all VSS together, right? All of you mute your audio, please. Right? Two half adders as well as one OR gate, right? See, symbol, just one rectangle box as well as 7 pins. 7 pins. FA is not a pin, it's just a text. Right? See full adder text circuit. This is a full adder text circuit. See, all of you please note down. Values A0, 5, 4U, 4 micro, 1 nano, 4 micro, 8 micro, right? Next, pulse 0 volts, 5 volts, 2 micro, 1 nano, 2 micro, 4 micro. See, 0, 5, 1 micro, 1 nano, 1 micro, 2 micro. These values for sequence generator. See, 4, 4, 2, 2, 1, 1. Generate sequenced values, right? Sequence values 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, like that, right? We'll see how to generate the sequence. See, by using LT-Spice. Right. All of you clear my simulation window? All are you clear? Clear my simulation window? Anyone? Gayatri, are you clear?
Yes,
right,
sir.
Right. See, go to file, all of you please go to file, open, right? Go to third year A section folder, right? A section, third year A section folder, right? Wait, file, oh, not open. File, new schematic. See, new schematic, file, save as, go to third year A section folder, right? All of you. Full adder, right? FA, full adder in third year A section folder. Save in third year A section folder, right? Next, save, go to component icon, change your path, go to your folder path, pick two half adders, right? Pick two half adders, right? Two half adders. See, two half adders, right? Next, go to label net, component icon. One OR gate for what? One OR gate for carry. Right? Right? See, all of you. Connect all VDDs together. Both VDDs, as well as both VSS. Right? 3 VDDs connect together. All 3 VDDs connect together, right? Next, all VSS connect together. Right. Next, total how many pins? Total 7 pins, right? Total 7 pins. So total 7 pins. A, B, as well as C in, right? C in VDD, VSS, as well as sum and carry, right? C. Go to label net. Input A, one input, A input, right? Next, go to label net. B, B input, two inputs, right? Next, third input, C in, previous carry, C in or C, just you, C, just C, input, input, right? Input, two inputs, next. VDD, VDD, right? Input, right? Next, go to label net. VSS, so input, right? Right. Next, go to label net. Sum input, sorry, output. Some port type, output port, some output, right? Next, carry, carry also output, right? See, total 5 label nets, total 5 label nets, A, B, C, VDD, VSS, sum as well as carry. Total 7 pins, right? See, connect sum to A XOR B connected to A, right? Sum is nothing but what? A XOR B connected to A XOR B, right? Next, see here, see, okay, wait, see, connect A to A to A, right? Next, B to B, right? See here, output is nothing but what? Sum is nothing but A XOR B. That A XOR B connected to A, right? A is nothing but what? A XOR B. Next, C connect to B. C, this C connected to B, right? Here somewhat A XOR B XOR C. Here sum is nothing but what? A is nothing but A XOR B. Here B is nothing but C. Total sum A XOR B XOR C, right? Next, C, sum to sum, connect sum to sum, right? Wait, carry to carry, carry to carry, right? Next, carry. Both carries connected to OR gate. Both carries half adder. First half adder carry as well as second half adder carry. Both carries. Right? Right. This is a half adder, sorry, full adder schematic by using two half adders as well as one OR gate. Right? Here no need to pick PMAS and MAS, just pick two half adders as well as one OR gate, all VDDs together, all VSS together, right? Connect sum to A as well as carry to B. Total sum is nothing but what? A XOR B XOR C, right? Carry. Both carries connected to OR gate, right? Then you can generate carry, right? All of you please complete up to here. I'll wait 2 more minutes. All of you complete schematic first. Yashwant completed, Yashwant?
Yes, sir, completed.
Right, right. Monica completed, Amma. Monica, Deepika,
Yes, sir, I'm not doing.
why Amma?
Sir, I don't have a laptop, sir.
Okay. Harini, what about you? Sumant completed? Sumant, Sumant.
Sir, my lap is not working, sir.
Okay, Sumant. Sai Likita?
Sir, today I'm not doing, sir. I'll do in the evening.
ఏంటమ్మా ఈరోజు అందరు లీవ్ పెట్టారు ఏంటి ల్యాప్టాప్? ఓకే. వందన? వందన?
Yes, sir, completely.
గుడ్ 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 అమ్మ గుడ్ గుడ్. రైట్. సి all of you, file, go to file, next schematic over, next symbol, right? Symbol, new symbol, right? Save as in third year A section folder only. Save as full adder, same name, same folder, right? Next, just go to draw, pick one rectangle, draw one rectangle, right? Next, total 7 pins, right? Total 7 pins, right? Edit, add pin or press P, add pin or press P. A, left side. Next, press P. B, left side. Press P. C, left side. 3 inputs left side, right? Next, press P. VDD, top, right? Next, press P. VSS, bottom, right? Press P. Sum, right side. Right? Press P. Carry, right side. Right? 2 inputs, 3 inputs, 2 outputs, 2 voltage sources, right? Connect by using line, press L or line icon, right? A. Next, go to draw, line, B, right? Escape, go to draw, line, right? Next, go to draw, line, VDD, right? Line, right? Carry, right? Total 7 pins A, B, C, VDD, VSS, sum as well as carry. If you want to add a text, add a text. Go to draw, add a text, full adder, FA, full adder, right? Add full adder here. Save. All of you please complete up to here. H1 completed, H1?
Yes, sir.
H1, right. Gayatri completed. Gayatri, are you there? Okay. Wait 1 more minute. right? See next file, new schematic, next see schematic over, next symbol, next test circuit. Go to file, new schematic, file, save as full header. Let's go test. All of you please up third year A section folder, not E section, A section folder, right? If underscore test, right? Right. Next, go to component icon, pick full adder symbol, right? Next, go to file, sorry, go to component icon, change, go to regular path, or for LD spice path, just pick 4 voltage A, B, C, as well as VDD. 4 voltage sources, right? Total 4 voltage sources, right? Total 5 grounds. V4, total 5 grounds. Right? Grounds, total 5 grounds. Right? 5 grounds. Right? Right? Connect VSS to ground. Right? Next. See. V1. V1 to A. Connect V1 to A. Next. V2. B. V3 to C. Right? Right? Total 3 inputs, right? Next, VDD, DC, VDD, right? VDD connection over. Next, go to label net, A input, connect, right? Escape, go to label net, B input, right? Next, go to label net, C input, right? Total 3 inputs, right? Next, you want to add VDD, otherwise leave it. Want VDD, add it. VDD VSS, VDD VSS, right? Next, go to label net, some output port, right? Next, label net carry put, right? By using wire connect sum to sum, right? Carry to carry, carry to carry, right? See all of you, please observe carefully values. V1, see V1 advance. Okay, all of you do up to here. I will wait 2 more minutes. All of you please complete up to here. Ashwant completed? Ashwant? Gayatri completed? Ashwant? Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Completed.
Right. Next, see, right click, advance, pulse, see, 0 volts, 5 volts, for micro, 1 nano, 4 micro, 8 micro. See all of you. Initial voltage 0, maximum voltage 5. Delay, it starts from 4 micro. T on from 4 micro. Same timing. See, 8 micro. 4, 8. Right? 0 volts, 5 volts, 4 micro, 1 nano, 4 micro, 8 micro. Next, beat. Advance 0, 5, 2 micro, 1 nano, 2 micro, 4 micro. See, 0, 5, 2 micro, 2 micro. Delay time 2, T on time also 2. 1 nano, 4 micro, right? 0, 5, 2 micro, 1 nano, 2 micro, 4 micro. Next, C. Advance 0 volts, 5 volts, 1 micro, 1 nano, 1 micro, 2 micro, right? Okay. Next, run up to 8 micro, maximum 8 micro, up to 8 micro. 0. DC voltage, DC voltage 5 volts, right? Run, right? C. A, B, C, some carry, right? C. Add plot for A, add plot for B, add plot for C, add plot for some, right? C, A, B, C, some as well as carry, right? Some carry. C. For better understanding, increase 0.5, decrease 0.5. See, increase 0.5, decrease 0.5. Right? Increase 0.5, decrease minus. See all of you. See sequence generator. See sequence 0 0 0, 3 zeros, 0 0 0, 0 0 1, 0 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 101 110, right? 110, all ones in sequence manner. See, 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 1, sorry, 1 1 0 1 1 1 sequence. See, all zeros, A0 B0 C0, some 0 carry 0. See all of you. See, A0 B0 C0, some 0 carry 0, right? Some 0 carry 0. Next, 0 0 1 0 0 1, someone carry 0. See, someone carry 0, right? Next, 0 1 0 0 1 0, someone carry 0. See, someone carry 0. Next, see, 0 1 1 0 1 1, even number of inputs is high, output is low. 0, some 0 carry 1. See, even number of inputs is high, some 0 carry 1. Next, 1 0 0 1 0 0. See, 1 0 0, someone carry 0. Someone carry 0. Next, 1 0 1 1 0 1, some 0 carry 1. Some 0 carry 1, right? Next, 1 1 0 1 1 0, some 0 carry 1, right? All inputs are high. A1 B1 C1. See, A1, here see, A1 B1 C1, someone carry 1, right? Some also 1 carry 1, someone carry 1, right? Yashwant completed. Yashwant, yeah, you
Yes, sir.
got it. Yashwant, share your screen. Yashwant. Okay, right, Yashwant, right. Good. Okay, Yashwant, right. Now, next, anyone completed, please share your screen. Anyone? Gayatri, anyone completed? Anyone? Okay, right. Anyone? Anyone ready to share your screen? Okay. Anyone?
Yes, sir.
Share, Amma. Share your screen. Share your screen. Kiran Kumar, right? Good. Prasanna Kumar. Right. Kiran Kumar.
Can you see it, sir?
Ah, yes, Kiran. Good, Kiran. Got it. Right. Okay. Right, Kiran. Good, Kiran. Next. Anyone? Madhu, Rohit, anyone? Okay. Right. Okay, right. Next. See. See, next. Next experiment, SR latch. SR latch using NAND. Sorry, I'm not presenting. Share. Right. Are you able to see my screen? All of you, right? Ashwant, Kiran, are you able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Right. See, next experiment, SR latch. SR latch using NAND. SR latch using NAND, right? The basic storage element is latch. Basic storage element is latch. See, the only difference between combinational circuits and sequential circuits is the memory block, right? All of you know that. The only difference between combinational circuits and sequential circuit is the memory block. That's it, right? In sequential circuits, we have memory elements, and it is used to store previous value or past value, right? See, in sequential circuits, we have memory elements, and it is used to store previous values or past values, right? See, all of you, by using NAND, all of you know the circuit. See, S S equal to 0 or equal to 0. It is invalid. Why it is invalid? Why it is invalid? Anyone, why it is invalid? 0, 0. Why it is invalid? Anyone? Okay, we see later. Okay, next. S equal to 0 or equal to 1, it acts as a set. S equal to 1 or equal to 0, it acts as a reset circuit. S equal to 1 or S equal to 1 or equal to 1, it acts as a no change state or memory state. All of you, please attention. S equal to 1 or equal to 1, it acts as a no change state or memory state. No change state or memory state, right? See all of you. See, first you apply 0, 1, 0, 1, then immediately apply 1, 1, then immediately apply 1, 1, because it's a memory state. Next 1, 1. See, 0, 1, you got q bar 1, q bar, this is q bar 0. Immediately apply 1, 1, you got same thing. Just for checking, right? Next 1, 0, immediately 1, 1, immediately 1, 1, 0, 0, immediately 1, 1, right? See S1 is equal to 1 or equal to 1 are able to store, or C are able to store previous values. C is a previous values, are able, see previous values. S equal to 1 or equal to 1 are able to store previous values, right? See, case by one. See first case 1, S equal to 0 or equal to 1. S equal to 0 or equal to 1. All of you know that NAND truth table. See, any one input is 0. Any one input is 0. See, any one input is 0. Output is high. Any one input is 0. Output is high. See, S equal to 0 or equal to 1. Right? See, S equal to 0. Any one input is 0. Output is what? High. Any one input is 0, output is high, right? Q equal to high. See, high. See, this one or this one is high or also high. Both inputs are high. Output is 0. Q bar. See, Q bar. Q equal to 1 because of any one input is 0. Any one input is 0, output is high. Q bar 0 because of all inputs are high. All inputs are high. See, R equal to 1. This feedback input also 1. All inputs are 1. Right? Then only output is 0. Then only output is 0. Right? You got it. Right? See, 0, 1. S equal to 0 or equal to 1. It acts as a set circuit. Set is nothing but what? Yes, 1. Set is nothing but what? 1. Right? It acts as a set circuit. No problem. Right? Leave it. Next. Remove S equal to 0 or equal to 0. Sorry, or equal to 1. Remove inputs and apply S equal to 1 or equal to 1. Immediately apply S equal to 1 or equal to 1. Right? See, remove it, apply S equal to 1 or equal to 1. See, previous outputs, right? This previous output. See, 0, 1. See, 0, 1. If analysis starts from Q bar, no problem. See, 1, 1. Here 1 na. S equal to 1 or equal to 1. 1, 1. Both inputs are high. Both inputs are high. Output is 0. 0, 1. 0, 1. 0, 1. Any one input is 0, output is high. See, same previous value. 1, 1, 0, 0. Same previous value. That's why, right? That's why now again you can see S equal to 1 or equal to 1. We have previous outputs. Observe S equal to 1. You apply S equal to 1 or equal to 1. You get same previous values. That's why it acts as a memory element or no change state or memory state. That's why S equal to 1 or equal to 1 acts as a memory state. Right. See, next case. See, S equal to 1 or equal to 0. S equal to 1 or equal to 0. Right. Any one input is 0, output is high. All of you know that. High. Both inputs are high. Output is 0. According to NAND truth table, both inputs are high, output is low. See, 1, 0, S equal to 1 or equal to 1, it acts as a reset circuit. Reset nothing but 0. Reset circuit, right? All of you clear, I think. Reset circuit, right? Next, immediately remove S equal to 1 or equal to 0. Remove and apply S equal to 1 or equal to 1. Right? It's a previous outputs, right? See, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Output 0. Both inputs are high. Output is 0. Next, 0, 1, 0, 1. Any one input is 0. Output is high. Same previous value. See, 0, 0, 1, 1. Same previous outputs. See, now again you can see S equal to 1 or equal to 1, we have previous outputs, right? S equal to 1 and or equal to 1 acts as a memory element. It's able to store previous value. See, right? Next case, most important case 3, not case 1. Just see, S equal to 1 or equal to 1. Sorry, S equal to 0 or equal to 0, right? S equal to 0 or equal to 0. Any one input is 0, output is high. Any one input is 0, output is high, right? This is a contradiction, right? The two outputs are same. Q bar outputs are same. They must be complement of each other. They must be complement of each other. Thus, I am saying that S equal to 0 or equal to 0, it is not used or invalid. Q bar must and should be complement, right? Right? It is invalid, right? But this is not only problem. Right? See, next we apply. This is not only problem. See, next apply S equal to 1 or equal to 1, right? Previous outputs what? Previous outputs 1, 1, no problem. See, it's storing or not. See, 1, 1. See, If analysis starts from Q, see, if analysis starts from Q, 1 1, see, 1 1 1 1, output 0 0 1 0 1, output 1. See, it's not able to store previous value. 1 1, okay. See here, changing, instead of 1 storing 0, right? Next, if analysis starts from Q bar, what happened? See, if analysis starts from Q bar, see, 1 1 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 1, right? It's not able to store previous value, right? Both are same, and also s equal to 1 or equal to 1 are not able to store previous value. That's why s equal to 0 or equal to 0 acts as a invalid case, right? Because of storage, right? S equal to 1 or equal to 1 are not able to store previous value correctly, right? That's why s equal to 0 or equal to 0, it acts as a invalid case, right? Two outputs must and should be complement, right? That's also one reason s equal to 0 or equal to 0, the invalid case, right? See all of you. SR NAND, SR latch using NAND. Next experiment, SR latching using NOR, right? See, dot A is represent schematic. That schematic consists of what? Only two NAND gates, and 6 label nets. 6 label nets means SR VDD VSS Q bar 6. Next, one rectangle box as well as 6 pins, symbol, voltage sources, grounds, right? See, all of you clear, I think. Ashwant, Gayatri clear? SR latch using NAND. Ashwant, clear Ashwant? Kiran,
Yes, sir.
operation clear? Clear? Right. See how to draw this schematic, right? Right. See, all of you, file, new schematic, save as, third year A section folder, SR NAND, right? SR NAND, save, right? See all of you, go to component icon, change your path, pick two NAND gates, right? NAND gate, one more NAND gate, two NAND gates, right? See, two NAND gates. This is for Q, this is for Q bar, right? Next, go to label net, A, input, B, input, two inputs, right? Connect VDDs, both VDDs, right? Both VSS, right? Next, go to label net, Q, output. Next, go to label net, Q bar, output, right? Q bar. First NAND represent Q, second NAND represent Q bar, right? Y to Q bar, right? Next, pins. Add pin, VDD, input pin, right? Escape, go to labelnet, VSS, input, right? Next, C connections. C, A, sorry, it's not A, S. Remove it. Go to labelnet S, input S. Input S as well as or S or, right? S or output, right? S or, oh, sorry, input, S or input, right? C connections. S connected to A or connected to second AND gate B. A, B, right? A, B, feedback C, feedback, right? Cut it. By using wire, connect A to Y, right? Next, A to B to Y as well as A to Y, right? Feedback connection over. Next, just you connect outputs, right? Q bar connections S or inputs S as well as OR. S connect to A or connected to second AND gate B. B to Y as well as A to Y. Feedback, right? Yashwant completed. Yashwant Kiran completed up to here. Yashwant Kiran
Yes, sir.
completed.
Yes, sir.
Right. Next Amma. Next file, new symbol, C, file, save as, XORNAND, .array section folder, right? Next, draw one rectangle box. Make it fast. One rectangle box and just pins. Press P. S, right? Next, press P, R, left side, right? Next, press P, VDD, top, press P, VSS, bottom, right? Next, press P, Q, right side, right? Next, press P, Q bar, right? Right side, right? Connect by using line, connect S2 rectangle box, right? S2 or 2 connections, right? Next, draw line, VDD, draw line, VSS, draw line, Q, right? Next, draw line, Q bar, right? Right? Want add text, go to add text, SR latch using NAND, or NAND, right? Save. Right? Next, go to file, new schematic. It's not a symbol, it's a schematic, new schematic, right? Right, go to file, new schematic, right? Go to file, save as NAND, sorry, S or NAND for test, right? A section only, so A section, right? Right, next, go to component icon, just pick symbol S or latch NAND, right? Two voltage sources, go to component icon, same, two voltage sources, total three, two for input, one for DC voltage, right? Next, three grounds, right? Three grounds, sorry, four grounds, right? Connect VSS to ground, right? Completed. Next, B12 OR, B2 OR, B12S, B2 OR, right? BDD to B3, right? Right? Escape, right click, 5 volts, 5 volts, right? Next, label net S, input, right? Go to label net R, also input, right? Two inputs, next two outputs, right? Q, output, Q, next Q bar, press label net, press Q bar, right? Q bar, so in output, right? Right. Connect Q to Q R2, right? Q bar. See values. See all of you. Go to advanced 0 volts, 5 volts, 4 mil, 4 micro. See here, delay time 0, rise time, fall time 0 because of feedback, right? 4U as well as 8U. See, 0 volts, 5 volts, 4 micro, rise time 0, fall time 0, T on 4 micro, total time period 8 micro, right? See, next B, advance, pulse 0, 5, 2 micro. This for sequence. This also for sequence. Rise time 0, fall time 0. Right? Next. 4, sorry, starts from 2 micro, end with 4 micro. Right? Okay. Next. Total simulation time 8 micro, up to 8. Right? Up to 8. Save data from 0. Right? See, schematic, symbol, test set. Right? S, R, Q, Q bar. See, add plot for S, add plot for R, add plot for Q. ABS, R Q Q bar. See, S equal to 0, R equal to 0. See, Q1, Q bar also 1. Both outputs, they must and should be complement, right? But they are not complement. That's why it's a invalid. 1 1. It's a Q1 Q bar 1. That's why it's a invalid case. Next, 0 0 1 0 1. It acts as a set circuit. Set means 1, right? 1 0 1 0 1 0 means it acts as a reset circuit. Reset, right? See here, see carefully. 1 1 1 1 means 1 1 1 1 means it's able to store previous value. See here 0, here also, here 0, here also same 0. It's able to store previous value. See 0 0. It's able to store previous value. 1 1. It's able to store previous value. 0. It's able to store 0. Here also same. Here 1. Here also same 1. It's able to store previous value. 1 1 represent stores. It's able to store previous value, right? Ashwant completed. Ashwant.
Sir, 1 minute.
Okay, okay. Ashwant. We want values. One represents memory state. Memory state means it's able to store. It's able to store previous value. Previous value. See 0 0 as well as 1. 1 1. Nothing but memory state or previous or no change state. No change state or memory state. Kiran completed. Kiran.
Yes, sir.
Right. Kiran, please share your screen, Kiran. Right. Kiran, outputs, Kiran. Right. Right. Q bar. Right, Kiran. Right. Right. Next. Ashwant.
Yes, sir.
Right. Ashwant, share your screen, Ashwant. Right, Ashwant. Good. Right. Okay, ma. Okay, right. Thank you all.
Sir, even I did, sir.
Okay. Share, लिखता है, share. लिखता, share your screen. Okay, good लिखता. Right. Okay, half a full adder. Okay, right लिखता. Right, good. Both. Next, anyone, amma, anyone completed? Please share your screen.
Sir, I did, sir.
Share, amma, share your screen. Gayatri, okay. Right. SR latch. SR latch. Good. Okay. SR latch. Next, Amma. Full adder.
సార్ ఇందాక ల్యాప్టాప్ హ్యాంగ్ అయింది సార్ ఫుల్ ఆర్డర్ చేయలేదు తర్వాత చేస్తాను
Okay. Okay, Amma. No problem. Right. Okay. Right. Amma, anyone? Anyone? Hmm? Anyone completed? Monica? Right, Monica. Okay. Okay, Monica. Okay, good. Ma, anyone? Okay, Ma. Huh? Right. Good. Hmm? Thank you, Ma. Thank you all.